Cool Mom's Kitchen Ideas. So today we're going to be making sugar cookies, but these are going to be upgraded sugar cookies.
Oh yeah,
so
girl,
we're going to
you
be
got
adding
my
some fun
attention.
stuff in there to make them taste really good and still tasty, but have that little just kind of get you in your tongue. So let's get started and I'll show you what you need. Okay, so for this video, you're actually going to need a pack of sugar cookie mix. You're using the Betty crocker. You're going to need an egg. You're going to need a stick of butter. And of course, you're going to need some white chocolate. And I'm going to be using a mixer, but you don't have to use a mixer. You could just use your fork, your whisk it, whatever you like. So, anyways, let me show you how to put this together and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be doing the drop cookies, the top one. So I'm going to need a stick of butter, but I don't want it to be too melty. So I'm going to stick it in the microwave for just a little bit. And then, I'll show you how I blend it together in the mixer with the egg and stuff. And in my microwave. Okay, so I put my egg in there, and I'm actually going to beat my egg first. So let me just lock my mixer and put it up on one. Let that mix a little bit until the egg is beaten. And then I'm going to add my butter in there. So after that, I'll show you what I need to do next, and I'll be back. Alright, so my egg's been beaten for a little bit. I'm going to add in my soft butter. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. Oh, there we go. I went in there. Alright, so I'm going to let this beat together, and then, I'll show you how we add the sugar cookie mix in there. And I'm actually going to end up changing my beater, so I'll be back. I'll show you all that good stuff. Alright, as you can see, my butter and egg is all whipped up. And I'm just going to take a spatula and get it all out of there, because I'm going to put another beater on, a different one, to kind of mix the cookie dough. So, this is how this one's going to go. I'm using a KitchenAid mixer, by the way, so if you have a KitchenAid mixer, kudos to you, because it does work pretty good. But I've had other mixers where I've done it by hand, so I know exactly how that feels. So, alright, so now that I got this part done, I'm going to show you how I pour the cookie dough mix in with that other beater, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Actually, I put on the cookie dough hook, or you can use for dough, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and turn this on, and slowly pour in my cookie mix. I'm going to pour it in slow so I don't make too much of a mess, because you want it to come out like cookie dough. And I'll show you what it looks like once it starts coming together. I'll be back. Alright, as you can see, it's coming together really good, and this is the fun part where I add in my white chocolate into my dough. I'm just going to take probably a good handful and throw them in there. It's just regular white chocolate. I got that from, I think it was Sam's Club. I've had it for a while. See, I don't make a lot of cookies. I make more pies and cakes, so. Alright, so I'll show you how I put it in the cookie pan, so stay tuned. Alright, I forgot to tell you that you have to have the oven preheated on 350, and I'm going to leave my cookies in for about 8 minutes, because I don't want them super hard. So, I'll show you how to put them in the pan real quick. Alright, so now that my cookie dough is all mixed up, what I'm going to do is take a spoon, a nice size tablespoon, and I'm just going to scoop them out. Well, my cookies are going to be kind of big. And I'm just going to put them on the pan. I'm using foil paper in my pan because I like easy cleanup, because I'm probably going to get more than 12 cookies out of this. So, that's what I'm going to do here. Alright, so I'm just going to take them and drop them on there. The try to make them look all pretty if you want to. I probably should fix that first one. Yeah. Alright, so let me do this. I'll show you what they look like when they come out of the oven, and we'll have some upgraded sugar cookies. So I'll see you back here in a minute. Alright, so they are out and they've been sitting out on cool for a little bit already. So I'm just going to let these set for a little bit. And by the way, if you have leftover cookie dough, just take it and put it in a Ziploc bag. I mean, unless you want to cook all of it. So I'm actually going to put mine in a Ziploc bag because we have enough sweets cooked here. So that being said, thank you again for watching. And subscribe and share and have a great day. Okay, so just showing y'all this quick little bonus is that I got these candy melts from Walmart. They're actually they're not in the baking now, they're like more in the party area, and I just took a few of them and threw them in my sugar cookies. As you can see, they're blue and they're vanilla flavored, so it's just a food coloring. So anyways, that could be fun for game day, birthday parties, and I just like blue because blue is my favorite color. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that pointer. Thank you again. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.